Hi guys, this is a quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero 6 and 5 Black battery charger. So it's made by Telesin, as you can see, and it will charge 3 batteries at the same time. So this is what it looks like in the box, and it's got some specs at the back if you can read them. I'll give you a close-up. Right, this is what it looks like in the box. And this is what you get basically, just the charger itself. You don't get a charger lead or anything like that. So you have to use your own USB-C charging lead, what you get with your GoPro camera. So this is some more specs underneath it. It's got 3 indicator lights at the front, and it's got the charging port at the back with the light. So basically it flips open and your batteries go in there. It says it's a storage case as well, so you can store like your batteries inside it, but I'm not too sure if that's a good idea or not, because if you got your batteries inside there, they're not charging at the time with the charging lead. It will be discharging, if you know what I mean. It'll be losing its charge. So I don't think it's a good idea to store them in there unless you turn them around or something like that. So that's what it looks like. It flips open and closes. So this is my original GoPro charging lead, and I'm going to plug that in to the wall. And I'm going to plug that into the back like so. So you can see a blue light there indicating it's on. And I'll fit the batteries now. You can see there's an indicator light come on the bottom. So it's indicating red for charging. As soon as it's fully charged, it will go green. And I've got another one as well. So there's 2 lights on now. So it's a good thing really. As you know, GoPro batteries only last so long, and it's a bit of a pain when you need another battery. So this is pretty good if you can charge 3 batteries at the same time. It'll mean that you've always got a charged battery ready for your vlogging or whatever you're using it for. So right guys, that was a quick unboxing for the Telesin battery charger for the GoPro Hero 5 and 6 Black. And I think you can use this on the new GoPro Hero cameras, what's just come out. And that's about it guys. So thanks for watching guys. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.